Is your phone screaming storage almost full at you again? You've deleted photos, you've cleared your cache, you've offloaded apps you haven't touched in months, but that pesky notification just won't go away. What if I told you there's a hidden digital black hole on your phone secretly gobbling up gigabytes of your precious storage? And what if I told you that in just a few taps, you could reclaim all that space without deleting a single one of your precious photos or essential apps? It sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me because I'm about to show you a game-changing trick that your phone's manufacturer probably doesn't want you to know about. Get ready to free up gigabytes you never knew you had. So, where is all this mysterious storage going? Let's peel back the curtain. Every time you use an app, especially social media, messaging, and streaming apps, it creates temporary files, caches, and data. Think of it like digital dust bunnies. A few here and there aren't a big deal, but over months and years they build up into a massive, space-hogging monster. The clear cache button you're used to only scratches the surface. We're going deep diving for the real treasure. The culprit we're hunting down today is often hidden within the app data itself, particularly in apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, and even your podcast or music apps. These apps love to download and store media automatically, often in duplicate folders that you never see. You might share a funny video with 5 different friends, and guess what? Your phone might be storing 5 separate copies of that exact same video. It's madness, and it adds up incredibly fast. We're not just talking about megabytes, we're talking about multiple gigabytes of wasted space. All right, let's get our hands dirty and start clearing this mess. I'll walk you through this step by step for both iPhone and Android, so everyone can join in. First up, for my Android users. Your system gives you a bit more freedom to explore, which is great for us. What you're going to do is open your Files or My Files app. This is your phone's command center for everything it stores. Now look for a category called Internal Storage. Tap on that. You'll see a list of folders. It might look a little intimidating, but don't worry. We're looking for specific folders. A big one is the WhatsApp folder. Go into it, then tap on Media. Inside, you'll see folders like WhatsApp Images, WhatsApp Video, and WhatsApp Documents. Now here's the magic trick. Pay close attention to the Sent folder inside each of these categories. That's right, everything you've ever sent to anyone is saved in here, taking up space. You probably don't need a copy of every meme you've ever forwarded. You can go in here, select all, and delete them. Just be careful not to delete anything you want to keep. Do this for videos, images, and documents. You'll be shocked at how much space you just freed up. We're talking gigabytes, instantly. Another goldmine on Android is the Downloads folder. We download PDFs, images, and random files, and then we completely forget about them. Sort this folder by size, and you'll quickly see the biggest offenders. Delete anything you no longer need. Also, check for folders from apps you've already uninstalled. Sometimes they leave behind data folders. Find them, delete them, and reclaim that space. Now, for my iPhone family, Apple keeps things a bit more locked down, but we still have a powerful trick up our sleeve. Go to your settings, then tap General, and then iPhone Storage. Let it load for a moment. This screen is your best friend. It shows you exactly which apps are using the most data. You'll likely see apps like Photos, WhatsApp, and Podcasts at the top. Let's focus on the non-obvious ones. Scroll down and look at an app like Podcasts. If you see it's taking up several gigabytes, tap on it. You can see all your downloaded episodes. Swipe left on the ones you've already listened to and tap Delete. It's that simple. Do the same for your music or video streaming apps where you've downloaded content for offline viewing. But the biggest hidden feature for iPhone users is within specific apps themselves. Let's take WhatsApp again. Open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Storage and Data, and then Manage Storage. This screen is incredible. It breaks down your storage usage by chat and even shows you large files over 5 MB. You can easily review and delete huge videos and files that are just sitting there. You can go into a specific group chat that shares tons of media and clear it out directly. It's a targeted approach that gives you full control without blindly deleting everything. Telegram has a similar feature in its data and storage settings under storage usage. You can set a limit for how much cache it keeps. Set it low, and the app will automatically clean itself up. So, let's recap the core strategy. It's not just about hitting clear cache, it's about becoming a digital detective. For Android, you explore your file manager, targeting sent folders in messaging apps and forgotten files in your downloads folder. For iPhone, you use the iPhone storage menu as your map and then dive into the individual manage storage settings within your biggest apps. This isn't a one-time fix. This is a new habit. I recommend doing a digital deep clean like this once a month. It takes maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and it keeps your phone running smoothly and that dreaded storage full notification at bay. You'll have more room for the photos and videos you actually want to take, and your phone will feel faster and more responsive. It's a total win-win. Think about it. No more frantic deleting of precious memories right when you're trying to capture a perfect moment. No more app install failures. Just a clean, efficient phone that works for you, not against you. You now have the power to control your phone's storage in a way you never thought possible. Go ahead. Try it right now and let me know in the comments just how many gigabytes you managed to free up. I bet you'll be amazed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this trick helps you as much as it has helped me. If you found this video valuable, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss out on more tips and tricks to make your tech life easier. See you in the next video.